Diagonal kick is formed by kicking upward diagonally to the left or the right by drawing power from rotational movement of thing and hip. The type of kick is less powerful. To strike with diagonal kick, keep guarding properly. Do not leave the hand drop. Otherwise, the opponent will take the chance to strike back. Next, let's look at diagonal kick. It is another way to use your foot in Muay Thai. It can be used as both an attack and a block. It is the most important weapon as your legs are the longest parts of your body that you can use in Muay Thai. To throw a diagonal kick, first, throw your kicks in the 45-degree direction. Second, use your back foot to attack. Third, swing the whole leg up. Bend your knees slightly. Fourth, when you are about to hit the target, twist your foot so that you hit the target with the shin bone. To make your diagonal kick powerful, step forward your opponent and turn the shin bone towards the target. The aim are the body, both the left ear and the right ear, the neck, both the upper right arm and the upper left arm. When you throw a kick, keep your guard up. Start with your fighting stand. Throw your back foot up high as a 45-degree angle. Turn your chin towards the target and lean backward slightly when you are about to hit the target. This will allow you to reach higher. Never drop your guard. When you miss the target, do not turn around because this gives an opportunity for the opponent to swiftly attack you back.